Number 1. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Saturn, B. Earth, C. Jupiter, D. Neptune. Answer C. Jupiter. Number 2. What type of blood cells help fight infections? A. Red blood cells, B. Platelets, C. Plasma, D. White blood cells. Answer D. White blood cells. Number 3. What is the name for molten rock before it erupts from a volcano? A. Magma, B. Lava, C. Basalt, D. Ash. Answer A. Magma. Number 4. Which element has the chemical symbol Sb? A. Niobium, B. Selenium, C. Antimony, D. Strontium. Answer C. Antimony. Number 5. What organ filters blood in the human body? A. Heart, B. Kidney, C. Liver, D. Lung. Answer B. Kidney. Number 6. What is the main function of red blood cells? A. To fight infections, B. To carry oxygen, C. To clot blood, D. To transport nutrients. Answer B. To carry oxygen. Number 7. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? A. Helium, B. Methane, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Oxygen. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. Number 8. What does DNA stand for? A. Deoxyribonucleic acid, B. Dinitrogen acid, C. Dynamic nucleic acid, D. Digested nucleic acid. Answer A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.